Darn little gusts are still coming, huh? If I switch off and go back, it stays there, so I'm gonna... I can't see my picture.
Kind of from the front?
Yeah, we'll do a front, back, and then around, and then wherever Central City is from here. That's what I thought. It's down there. And then, so maybe it shows this building and then where Central City is. I don't know how high we'll have to get to do that. We'll see. And then I thought from above, high enough above the trees, and we're about to lose our sun. Let me just see how it does. Whoa. I can't look at it without sunglasses. It's turning smooth. You know, wait a minute. See how it handles this wind down here. Of course, here it comes, cranking up. Had cam video, trying to use the Mavic to film this piece of real estate here, but it's our second trip out today and the wind just won't leave us a break. I can't see the screen if I need to go. Oh, here it comes.
Recording stop. It looks like you're in front of it.
Mm-hmm.
Recording started.
Spot me going backwards.
Roger. 57 feet altitude, 45 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 86% battery. Recording stop.
Okay. I'm going to come back towards it now. I'm up at 100 feet. Going up a little higher.
Recording started.
Can't make it fly forward. It's It's got too much of a wind. I gotta get my eyes on it and bring it down. Won't fly into the headwind there. I got it to go. Won't fight the headwind. There it goes.
Recording stopped.
Okay, I got some great shots from that direction. I'm going to try to bring it around and see if I can start seeing Central City in the background because he asked for that.
Right. And it seems to be a little
130
calmer right
feet
now.
altitude. 40 feet
Yeah.
distance. 0 miles per hour. 76% battery. Recording started.
You're spotting me.
Yep. You're clear.
Feet altitude, 121 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 71% battery. Recording stopped.
Okay, I want to just bring it back now before we get in any trouble with the wind.
Recording started.
You're spotting me. I'm coming this way now.
Yep. I see ya. You see me?
I'm not. Yeah, I do. I do.
Look toward me, you
Recording
won't have a
stopped.
tree problem.
Okay. I'm going to go line of sight now. Where am I? Okay.
Another calm moment.
171 feet altitude, 138 feet distance, 5 miles per hour, 66% battery. Recording started.
It's not. Which building am I on, Sharon? Is it? Is that it, or is it this other one over
You
here?
see. No, you're going to
So
have
that's
to turn
it.
right just a little, and you're almost pointing straight at it, yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I was just grabbing that. I was going to see if I could
Chris,
get it in
the,
between these buildings and get the back porch.
Yeah, and the garage is there. And
100 feet altitude, 39 feet distance, 40 miles per hour, 66% battery. Recording stopped. Recording started.
Like, get the sun out of my eyes. Oh, yeah. awful tight between these buildings. I think I'd rather go for above looking down on the patio than trying to get into the back there.
Yeah, you know, it's the whippiest wind right off that thing.
Let's let this dust kind of go by, and I'll try and get above it and look down. 56% on the battery still. Okay, you're spotting me.
130 feet altitude. 37 feet distance. 3 miles per hour. 53% battery.
Am I okay?
Yeah.
Tree-wise?
Oh, you're way okay tree-wise.
And I'm heading towards the mountain.
Yeah, we still got a long way here.
Okay.
150 feet altitude. 134 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 47% battery. Recording stop.
I'm gonna have to come back for battery. Okay. Okay, we're coming back now.
Recording started. Feet altitude. 93 feet distance. 5 miles per hour. 42% battery.
Okay, I'm calling it done. 40%.
We're clear, we just landed. Yes.
Recording stop.
I think we got her, buddy. 37% and 77%. Yeah, 37 on that battery and 77 on this battery. Is that funny?
It's hilarious.
That was a pretty hairy one with the wind. I was kind of shaking.
You were, and you know, in the video, you'll see how fast these clouds are streaming across the sky.
Yeah, I didn't want to go any higher.